The first Toyota sent to Europe were two Toyopet Tiaras, sent to Finland for evaluation in June 1962. Toyota established its first European assembler in Portugal. Due to the 1973 oil crisis, consumers in the lucrative U.S. market began turning to making smaller cars with better fuel economy. American car manufacturers had considered small economy cars to be an entry-level product, and their small vehicles employed a low level of quality to keep the price low. In 1984, Toyota entered into a joint venture with General Motors called the New United Motor Manufacturing. Operating an automobile manufacturing plant in Fremont, California, the factory was an old General Motors plant that had been closed for 2 years. It is currently the site of Tesla Motors assembly plant. Toyota then started to establish new brands at the end of the 1980s, with the launch of their luxury division Lexus in 1989. In the 1990s, Toyota began to branch out from producing mostly compact cars by adding many larger and more luxurious vehicles to its lineup: SUVs, Camry, Solara, MR2, Celica, and Tundra. The company experienced significant growth well into the 21st century, with innovations such as its luxury brand, Lexus, and the first mass-produced hybrid-powered vehicle in the world, the Prius. Toyota set up a base in the United Kingdom, as the company's cars had become very popular among British drivers. Bases in Indiana, Virginia, and Tianjin were also set up. Later, it decided to list itself on the New York and London stock exchanges. In 2002, Toyota managed to enter a Formula One works team and establish joint ventures with French motoring companies Citroën and Peugeot, a year after Toyota started producing cars in France. Toyota ranked 8th on Forbes 2000 list of the world's leading companies. The company was number 1 in global automobile sales for the first quarter of 2008. With high fuel prices and a weak U.S. economy in mid-2008, Toyota reported a double-digit decline in sales for the month of June, similar figures reported by the American auto manufacturers. For Toyota, these were attributed mainly to slow sales of its Tundra pickup, as well as shortages of its fuel-efficient vehicles such as the Prius, Corolla, and Yaris. In response, the company has announced plans to idle its truck plants while shifting production at other facilities to manufacture in-demand vehicles. In November 2015, the company announced that it would invest $1 billion over the next 5 years into artificial intelligence and robotics research. In 2016, Toyota invested in Uber. The invested amount is not public information. On August 27, 2018, Toyota announced an investment in Uber's autonomous cars. Although the Toyota Group is best known today for its cars, it is still in the textile business and still makes automatic looms, which are now computerized, and electric sewing machines which are available worldwide.